Hello, this is an unboxing video of a Midland WR-300 version 2, I think. I think it's version 2. So Carson, which the Rutherford WX is busy right now. He was supposed to be in this call for it, but I don't think he will. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do an unboxing video. And yes, I apologize for my voice being like this. I am recovering from a cold, so I apologize for the mumble or my voice isn't very clear, so I'm trying to talk clear as I could. So, moving on, I got this off eBay for an excellent deal. I think it was like $16. I was originally not planning on opening this, but Carson told me to open it and some other people. So I was like, I'll just open it. It is because of none of the ES community would leave it in its box because these things are made to be used. So I'm just gonna do it then. I would not mind it. Since I bought it, let's use it. I took a peek of the box. I didn't take it out of the box, actually, when I first got this. So, okay, it turns out that the radio itself I have not taken it out of the box. Still in its original box. So, okay, we're just going to go ahead and start opening it. I bought from eBay. I don't know if I already said it or not, but, yeah. Here's the radio. Wait. Oh, never mind. I just got confused, like, where's the AC adapter? But no, that's not it. But here is an AC adapter. Get out the box. And the owner's manual. Yep. Nice. This is the product guide. It looks somewhat like a Midland WR-300, but it's not. No. Okay, moving on. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to take this out of the package to see it for myself. Oh my, brand new. Wow. So I already have a Midland WR-300, but there's a second one. But this is what it looks like in brand new. So the other one I have is used and is currently being used for my index. So, but this will just be the main 300. Will be receiving alerts. So, you know, let's just open up the AC adapter. Let's see, without ripping it up. This is what it looks like in this package. It was right out. I already have a place, or I just made a place for my WR-300 for my radio sub, so it's gonna be interesting. We'll be putting batteries in this, so I don't have to worry about resetting it if power goes out, and I can still get alerts. So it's a good thing. So I'm just gonna start Just move the packages. I already know how to set a Midland WR-300, so I'm just gonna we're not gonna plug in yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, I'm just gonna start plugging in now. Well, this is just for the video, so this is where you see it actually power on, so I'll be moving it to where it belongs, so I am gonna go and power it and find out if it's a version 1 or version 2, so yeah, excuse the noise. My parents are watching this rugby. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just plug it in. Version 1. Awesome. Okay. I'll put batteries in it later, as I do have batteries actually, so anyways, let's just start setting it up. Ooh, the screen's nice. Change that, should never leave it on silence, but voice.
Partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly cloudy.
I'll put the same code later. It's pretty loud. Yeah, this thing is loud after all. So today's date is November 25th. And it is 7:52. Okay, this is it. This was set up. This concludes the setup of my WR-300, and I'm gonna probably show another clip with its official setup and with the batteries in it. Alright, here's where we'll be at for now. So, with all my radios, which are right here, just had to change the setup just a little bit. So, alright, this concludes it. If we want to see where the WR-300 version 5 is, it is. Okay, I apologize for the camera tripod issue right here. Yeah, right here. So it's pretty dark right here, so I have a flashlight so you can see it easy. Alright, that concludes it. We'll be getting alerts from this thing the next the season, so alright, thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoy this. See you next time.